Welcome back to Auto Vibe. Today we take a deep look at the 2026 GMC Savana 3500 Limbo Camper, a machine that redefines what it means to travel in style and live on the road. This is not just a camper. It is a rolling luxury home designed to deliver maximum comfort, power, and sophistication everywhere you go. The 2026 GMC Savana 3500 Limbo Camper is built on the trusted Savana platform, known for its strength and durability. But what sets this model apart is the way it combines utility with pure elegance. The exterior grabs attention instantly with a bold red finish, modern LED lighting, and a sleek aerodynamic body that not only looks sharp, but also improves efficiency on long drives. The graphics along the side add a sense of speed and power even when the camper is standing still. Move closer and you will notice details that speak to premium craftsmanship. The massive alloy wheels, the integrated side steps, and the extended cabin design all come together to create a vehicle that feels more like a luxury yacht on wheels than a traditional camper. Step inside and you enter a world of comfort that rivals high-end apartments. The interior is designed with smart layouts that maximize space without sacrificing style. The living area features plush seating, advanced climate control, and a full entertainment system. So every trip feels like home. You get a spacious kitchen equipped with modern appliances, high-quality surfaces, and smart storage solutions. Whether you are cooking a quick snack or preparing a full dinner, you have everything you need within reach. The dining area transforms easily into extra sleeping space, giving you flexibility for family trips or group adventures. Moving further inside, the bedroom offers privacy and relaxation with a premium mattress, smart lighting, and ample wardrobe space. The bathroom is compact yet practical, with a shower sink and toilet designed with efficiency in mind. The 2026 GMC Savana 3500 Limbo Camper makes sure you never miss the comfort of home while you are out exploring the open road. Technology is at the heart of this camper. Advanced navigation, adaptive cruise control, and driver assist features make long journeys smoother and safer. The digital dashboard keeps you informed, while premium sound and connectivity features keep you entertained and connected no matter where you are. The powertrain delivers strong performance with reliable towing capacity, so you can bring along extra gear without worry. One of the highlights of this model is its focus on versatility. Whether you are heading into the city, cruising along highways, or setting up camp in remote areas, the Savana 3500 Limbo Camper adapts with ease. The design includes multiple slide-outs that expand your living space once you are parked, turning your camper into a spacious home base. At a price point of around $250,000, the 2026 GMC Savana 3500 Limbo Camper is not for everyone, but for those who demand the ultimate combination of luxury, technology, and freedom. It is worth every penny. This is a vehicle for dreamers, for travelers, and for those who want to carry comfort and style wherever they go. That was your in-depth look at the 2026 GMC Savana 3500 Limbo Camper here on Auto Vibe. Thank you for watching, and make sure to stay tuned for more detailed reviews of the most exciting vehicles shaping the future of mobility.